Hello. Whoa, good girl.
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, look at you. So strong.
Standing up.
So pretty and so strong. Yeah. You got it. Good job.
Now make her laugh.
Hey. Nun nun. Nun nun.
Very good.
Whoa! Yellow and blue. Woo-hoo! Yellow and blue.
This is your discovery of that little yellow bar. Look at you standing up.
Yeah, look at that. Good job.
Super strong. Her toes are curled. Or on one foot.
Just like pushing.
Yeah. That was good balance. She pushes forward, yeah.
Look at you. Good job.
You're climbing the monkey bar. That's the one the monkeys are on. You want to show us the other things on your set?
Yeah.
She is way into that.
But, well, it probably feels good, you know, because, like...
Yeah, it's another stabilizer. Hi! Hi. Yellow and blue. Oh. Rowan. Rowan. Rowan.
I don't want to cough right now.
You're not in the giggly mood. It's too late. Whoa, good job. You see the butterfly? Yeah. Good job, babe. Rowan, what are you doing? Rowan. Rowan. Hi, sweetheart. You want to say goodbye to the camera? Goodbye, camera. Goodbye. Hello. Ooh, ooh, red, yellow, and blue. All right, kiddo. Say goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. You see Mommy's hand? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Oh, give me my hand back.